In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nano Banana and Manus slides. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Manus, start a new deck, tell the system what you want using a clear prompt that includes Nano Banana, and submit it for generation. First, open the Manus app in your browser. Give it a moment to load so everything on the page initializes properly. You should see the main workspace where new presentations are created. If the page looks stuck, a quick refresh usually helps, but once it loads, you're ready to go. Next, click Create Slides. This starts a fresh presentation and brings up the editor. Think of this as your blank canvas. You're not committing to any design yet. You're just opening the space where the content will be generated for you. In the editor, click on the prompt area. This is the field where you tell Manus what to build. The clearer you are here, the better your results. Since we're focusing on Nano Banana, make sure that phrase is included in your instructions so the system understands the theme or subject you're aiming for. If you already have a structure in mind, like an intro, key points, and a call to action, this is the place to say it. Now, type your prompt. Be specific about your goal, audience, tone, and scope. For example, you might say, create a concise slide deck about Nano Banana for a product introduction. Include an opening overview, 3 slides covering core features and benefits, 1 slide with a simple demo flow, and a closing slide with next steps. If you care about voice or styling, like professional, playful, or technical, add that too. The more context you provide, the fewer edits you'll need later. When your prompt looks good, click Submit. The system will begin generating your slides. This can take around 5 to 6 minutes, sometimes longer, depending on complexity and your internet connection. While it's working, avoid refreshing the page or navigating away since that can interrupt the process. If your connection is slow, just let it run. It's normal for richer prompts to take extra time. You'll see the results appear once generation finishes, with content aligned to the instructions you provided in the prompt. And that's it. You opened Manus, created a new deck, clicked into the prompt field, wrote a clear, detailed instruction that includes Nano Banana, and submitted it for generation. Follow these steps each time, refine your prompt as needed, and you'll consistently get strong, usable slides.